A Walmart credit card payment history error usually means a payment, transaction record, or account detail does not match what you expected when viewing your account. By the end, you'll know how to check a wrong payment history entry, what information to verify, and what steps to take if your Walmart credit card account still shows incorrect information. Start by opening your Walmart credit card account and reviewing the payment history carefully. Check the payment date, payment amount, payment status, and the account activity connected to the entry. Compare the payment history with your own records. Check your bank account, payment confirmation emails, or any receipts showing when the payment was made and how much was sent. If the payment appears missing, delayed, or incorrect, confirm that the payment was made from the correct bank account or payment method. A payment made through a different account or method may not match the information you are checking. Next, review whether the payment was actually completed. A scheduled payment, pending payment, and completed payment can appear differently depending on the account status. If the information still looks wrong, collect the details before contacting Walmart credit card support. Include the payment date, payment amount, confirmation information, and a description of what appears incorrect in your account. Providing these details helps the support team investigate the exact payment instead of starting from the beginning. You should also check for account access issues. Make sure you are viewing the correct Walmart credit card account and that your login information connects to the right account profile. If the payment history error continues, contact Walmart credit card support and explain which payment record is incorrect. Mention that you already reviewed your payment confirmations and account details. Keep screenshots or copies of payment confirmations while the issue is being reviewed. These records can help support compare your information with their system records. The main points are simple. First, compare your Walmart credit card payment history with your own payment records. Second, verify the payment status and account details. Third, contact support with complete payment information if the record is still wrong. Your next step is to open your payment history, check the specific transaction causing the problem, and prepare your payment confirmation details before contacting support. If this guide helped you fix a Walmart credit card payment issue, like the video and subscribe for more practical account troubleshooting guides.